What is going on, guys? My name is Hans Soloberger. Today I'm gonna be fucking raging on Cat Mario. I've gotten a few people telling me to play Cat Mario, and god fucking damn, I'm gonna do it so they can shut up about it. I'm gonna keep those names individually safe for their own right. Alex. But anyways, let's get to it. I know what I'm expecting. I think I can hit this. Nope, can't. Okay, smart little fuck. No! And so it begins. I'm gonna be pissed off. Yeah, fuck you and your shit. Fuck you happy about? Oh god, why? Whee! Fuck you happy about? Fucking claw, look at this fucking face. Fuck you, I'm a cat. What? No, a cat! No! What the fuck you laughing at? Little fucking happy cloud right there. Now we know not to go there. Fuck you. Oh, fuck you. Oh, look, the hills have eyes. Get it? No! Fucking poor cat didn't stand a chance. This cat has no fucking chance of living. He's gonna die so many times. I'm sorry, little kitty. How the fuck is he moving anyways? Look at his hand move. He's like sliding and his hands are like going back and forth. Look, I'd fucking do MC Hammer. My name is MC Hammer. And then fuck your shit. I like a mushroom. No, gotta grab it! I know if I grab it, I'm gonna fucking die in a way. No! Forgot about it. No! You fucking cat. Damn it! How did you touch him? Yeah. Run! Yeah, fuck you. What the fuck? Whee! Checkpoint, bitch! Whee! I think there's a star. Oh, there it is. Ah, you're like happy, nice looking star. What? What the fuck? Did you see that? He just put his hands down. He didn't even fucking like throw them up in the hands. Look, he normally does this. Ah, why? No! Damn it! Overshot that jump. Shit. Jump from here. Okay. This is legit. Okay. This one better not have the fucking thing. Oh, how am I gonna kill this cat now? What the fuck? Move, you fucking cat! Look at you, you're in the fucking middle! Move! Oh my god. There you go. You're literally in the fucking center of it. You're levitating over that. How can you survive that? How? Yeah, fuck your shit. What? The fucking clouds are evil too? Jesus, man. Everything in this game can kill you. Oh, you see this little green hill right here? Yeah, it's gonna kill me. What? What? I didn't know that fucking killed you. That was the fucking little green hill that kills you. Oh, so if I fucking go right there, I thought this shit would kill me, but no, standing over here would fucking kill me. This game takes the word logic and fucks it. Damn it! No! It went back and killed me! What? Oh. I'm just gonna go right here. Yeah, towards the end. Yeah. Oh shit. Should've died. I don't care. I'm gonna take that. Whoa, shit! Yay! Passed it. No, no, you little cat, no! Fucking looking happy little clouds right here and shit. Yeah, fuck you and your shit. No! 14 nice. I didn't even touch you! What the fuck, man? Fucking evil ass cloud. Oh, that was a close one. Whoa! Fuck you. Fuck you, happy little clouds. I'm happy because I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I gotta run. I can't make it over it! No! He's gonna die. No, stop. No! Let's try speed run. I'm a cat. I'm like Mario. Yeah, fist pump, fist pump. Fist pump. Yeah. No. No! God damn it. I need to jump over the flagpole. Ah! -19. And I just fucked myself over. Ladies and gentlemen, I fucked myself over. Fucking cat won't go over. There we go. That's the point. I'm just pissed. I'm just fucking pissed at this fucking annoying ass. Fuck you. No! Yep. Oh shit, watch out. Okay, I'm gonna try to run over that thing. No, so close. So fucking close. He's in bed. Yep, fucking do it. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you. Maybe I have to jump on it. I don't know, but this is pissing me off. I'm just gonna commit suicide. Poor little innocent cat shouldn't go through all this shit. This for my entertainment. And my battery is dying. And I just fucked myself over right now. Yeah, fuck you, cat. Okay, I think I know what I have to do. This is the last attempt before I fucking rage even more. Oh, you cha-cha-cha-cha-cha run. No! Oh. Last attempt for real. Run, run, run. No! I can't jump on it. I forgot about juice! Damn it! If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button and you know all that good fucking stuff, because right now I am fucking pissed over fucking Cat Mario. I apologize to headphones users for raging so loudly. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Hans Silverberger is out. Drop it!